guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the colors of the electric or the flaming borders on CapCut PC. So to do that, you are just going to go to the effects button here, and as you can see there are a few you can choose from. There's flame frames, just add it to the video, and then go, and if you deselected your effect, just right click and select edit effects, and here under color you can change the colors of the frame, but you can only choose it you only have a few options. You can't choose it from a color wheel. You can also do that to other effects like this one, this electro heart one. You can again right click edit effects and you can change the color here. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.